We get a very good shine out of the car. We use a lot of high pH, even like through our foaming bath at the beginning. And I've noticed a full difference just in that alone to like the cars and the shine that it can produce on them. You can talk to any of the customers out here and they'll tell you they notice the difference from here to another location that doesn't use Diamond Shine products. It's a very quality product, very consistent. It's neat, it's organized, you know exactly where everything's at. It's so much easier. Even with the new tanks, you don't have to do the little calculation anymore. It's straight there for you. I wouldn't have it any other way. With a local rep, I'll say he lets me know anytime he's coming to our sites. We talk regularly because I'm a very picky person. I'm constantly trying to improve everything in our tunnel, whatever I can do to get it cleaner, drier, shinier, anything like that. And he's always very open to my opinions and ideas, more than willing to try anything that I want to do, and is always going over and beyond for us. I mean, after hours, he washes his personal vehicles at our washes. It's an unmatched service in my opinion.